This spa dam wall failed because it was a 6-inch dam wall with a single curtain of steel through it. We've demoed the wall completely down to the bench here in the pool. A lot of times it's gunite. This time we're going to try shotcrete here. Shotcrete is stronger. We've got a double steel wall. That should firm this wall up adequately so it's not going to have any problems in the future. All the rebar we put in, we also sealed it with the spray, preventing any rust from coming through in the future. We're also going to use a hydroband waterproof membrane on the inside and the outside of this wall as well, to prevent any rust. Again, we're not going to get any more cracks due to this strength now with the double steel curtain. In addition to the waterproofing, we should be just fine moving forward with this pool.
A leaking wall between a spa and a pool can cause all sorts of problems. Water leaking into the pool can cause imbalanced water levels, leading to strain on pumps and filtration systems. Worse, if the leak reaches the ground, it can erode the soil, destabilizing the pool or spa foundation. This can result in structural damage, such as sinking or more cracks. On top of that, leaks can increase water bills, energy costs, and create water chemistry imbalances, making maintenance a nightmare. This is a repair that only a licensed professional should attempt. And Picture Perfect Pool Services does not take these remodels lightly. The contour shape of the new divide blends the two sides of the spa so effortlessly. The blue tile, sparkling like it's got something to prove, in that pebble tack finish, so smooth. Master craftsmanship can be seen here. If you live in the East Bay and need your pool remodeled, contact us today or visit our website, www.pppsinc.com. Follow, like, and subscribe for more.